learning with Easy English Daily. Let's start.
This is a cardiologist. A cardiologist treats heart problems.
This is a dermatologist. A dermatologist treats skin problems.
This is a neurologist. A neurologist treats brain problems.
This is an ophthalmologist. An ophthalmologist treats eye problems.
This is an orthopedist. An orthopedist treats bones and joints.
This is a dentist. A dentist cares for teeth and gums.
This is a surgeon. A surgeon performs operations in hospitals. This is an oncologist.
An oncologist treats cancer patients.
This is a psychiatrist.
A psychiatrist helps people with mental health. This is a hepatologist.
Yeah, right?
A hepatologist treats liver diseases.
Way.
Wow. This is a gastroenterologist. A gastroenterologist treats stomach problems.
This is a gynecologist. A gynecologist cares for women's health.
This is an otolaryngologist. This doctor treats ears, nose, and throat problems. This is an otolaryngologist. This doctor treats ears, nose, and throat problems.
This is a pulmonologist. A pulmonologist treats lung diseases.
This is a veterinarian. A veterinarian treats animals and pets.
This is an endocrinologist. An endocrinologist treats hormone problems. This is a hematologist. A hematologist treats blood diseases.
This is a pediatrician. A pediatrician cares for children.
Do you know a doctor of medicines? Write your answer in the comments.